All right, let's have a look. So this ground would be level with the walkway leading into the patio area. This set of edgers has now been leveled with this segment here. Same thing. And I've got another set of edgers here leveled with each other and with the edgers that are on the other side. The difference in height from over there to over here leaves a bit of a gap right there. All we have to do at this point is fill that gap in. To do that, we're going to use this sand, 60-pound bags of it. Now what we have to do to make this area level, push the beam forward. Just every foot or two that we work, just come by, make sure that we pack sand up underneath. So we've got a gap developing there, another gap. Like so. Okay. Sand down here. I'm specifically packed in this spot here because that's where the gap is pointing. Making sure we've got plenty of sand up here. We got to move the beam a bit further. Again, plug gaps as they occur. Just going to try to keep this beam fairly even. Move it along. Of course, if you have two people, you can have one person on each end of the beam, and that makes it go a little bit smoother. I considered getting 20 bags. I thought 20 would be excessive. And I got 10. I think I probably should have gotten 20. Although I did have some other sand up here that I've already started filling with. So maybe 5 more bags ought to do the trick. I guess we'll see. Much. On the bright side, it'll spread. Trains, gotta love them. Should just be a minute. Knock on wood. Here we go. Alright, now we've created a nice, smooth, and level space for us to put our pavers on. It's a little bit windy out, so we're going to hit it with the hose, knock the dust down a little bit. We're going to sweep off the edge of these edgers here, and then we'll start rolling out some weed mat. That's not a litter box. Jeez, not a litter box, kitty. Alright, now it's time to take some of this heavy duty weed mat and get it rolled out. That will prevent anything from growing there in the future, we hope. Now, the error I made last time I put the weed mat down and then I tried to level with sand. Well, I got it mostly level, but not quite, and the other problem that occurred was grass seed came in and started growing in the sand, so that was not a good move. This stretch it out as tight as we can get it. Hold it down with a couple of these edgers. That. I'm going to turn these so they have a little bit of character. Don't want all these grooves to match up perfectly. Okay, this is a 12-foot long, number 2, pressure treated 4x4 post. Alright, so we've got the hole set to about 4 foot deep. That means there's going to be about 8 foot of post above the hole, which is just crazy good into the hole. Alright, so far so good. Alright, so now our patio is nice and level. We've got the paver stones put back in. I've got some block wall around the edges, and as you saw, we're already starting to put in some of the support posts for the Grape Arbor that will surround the patio area. But I'm running out of time, so that's all I've got for you today, good people. As always, I hope you found this video informative or entertaining, a little bit of both. And if you do, well, you know what to do. I will catch you next time.